Good morning, everybody. To Living Uniquely You, myself, Sharon Brown. I hope you are all doing well on this Tuesday morning. I am coming in today to clear that unease, the unsettlement, the unsure, all that's around at this moment in time, and bringing you back into alignment with yourself. Allowing your soul to lead the way, allowing that inner compass to really show you where you need to go, what you need to be doing, and what action steps that you need to take, because there's a lot of unease around at the moment. People are really unsettled and unhinged, and it is something. Good morning, Helen. Sorry, that's because people aren't speaking what they should be speaking. So that's what's going on in the throat. I can just feel a lot of very uneasy energy at the moment. So I'm just going to clear that today, bring us into alignment with yourself, and just allowing you to follow the nudges, follow your intuition, follow the hits that you're getting, taking the action steps that you need to take to move forward. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time, and space. All the way back. And as you're coming back, allowing it drop through that divine filter of pure love and light. So just allowing that drop through that divine filter of pure love and light. Unhooking and unleashing from anything or anyone. Just allowing your energy to come all the way back, dropping through that divine filter of pure love and light. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And allowing your energy to fully drop into you. So just dropping into you. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything. So letting go of the expectation. So just allowing. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And just bringing your awareness to your heart. And as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out your heart chakra, into your solar plex, your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through that dolphin matrix, down into the inner city, down into that wave matrix, and right into that core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up to your whale, your inner city, your dolphins, and into your Earth Star Chakra. Pulling your Earth Star Chakra all the way down, right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down. Allowing you to fully connect into your rightful place, feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, and feeling the second part of the grid to come up to fully seal in your Earth Star Chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root, and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Calling in the energy from source, pure unconditional love of the highest vibration, dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra, so you can see, sense, and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra, so your intuition can be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head, so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye, so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra, so you can hear divine guidance. into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting to that universal energy of 5D and allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. Into your heart so you can see you can love you can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex so you can unleash your true divine feminine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully illuminate feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body, and remembering and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your Earth Star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart, doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra, feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being, allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. I have Archangel Michael standing here on my right hand side, and I have the spirit animal, the parrot, on my left hand side. And Archangel Michael is helping us to cut the cords from the past and releasing that energy that no longer serves us and allowing us to move forward into infinite possibility. So allowing you to have it all and more. And just letting go of that unease and unsettlement that is holding you in whatever from the past. It just needs to be released. And the parrot is telling me it's time to really speak your truth, whether it be in a situation or to somebody. You need to be honest and open. And that is bringing an awful lot. That is for somebody that's watching this or somebody that's watching the replay. So just going to come in and give you the courage and the strength to let go of the past, to speak what you need to speak, and allowing you to stand in your power with pure love and light. Niamanana sia patana nakatali sia patayata sia mana nakatu sia peana data siata. Niamanana nakasia patu sia peana nakatali sia patunine chia pasia pa uchepe sia papa. Sia patiata sia pa hu chepepepe. Patasia patulelo ukchipi apanya patete ichiche. Kunona no sia patiana mata sia padanyeche sia patulu uchika ku sia pata. Pasia patalo uchi sia pa kunosia pasia patale iki keneche sia pa kusi. Nyaya mayam nyaya mayam nyaya mayam ni pau. siapatesia pata tu ke kise. Siapati siama su chepepe sika. Siama siatele ichika suche. Siam pasiche ku. It is safe for you to let go of the past, for you to move forward, whether that's a person, a situation, or an emotion that's holding you in this past energy. Kusia pata na nakatasia pata, kunosia peasi, kunosia pana, keleke ki sia patule ina chatata. So feeling your chakras being spun 3 times, right? Kunosa, biete, kunota. 3 times left, kanasiapa, kunosiete, koye. And 3 times to the right, kanasayana, kunosiepe, kosa, niapasiapada nakatele ichi, pertasianana, kunosiete, koche. Kuneapa, soneata, te, ko, sa, na, ki. Just crossing your hands over your knees and just anchoring in that energy. Good morning, Janine, and anybody else that's watching. I'm just going to pull a soul reflection card. Just give yourself a chance to come back. That was quite deep. Oh, there's after flying across the floor. Yeah. So it's learn from the journey. Look at that beautiful card. It's allowing the emotions from the past to go. I sail in my boat across the rivers that are both narrow and wide, encouraging calm and storm, through sad times and happy. Learned much along the way, many masts they have fallen, many more still to go. Remember to leave my boat when I reach the other side, to truly set myself free. So there you go. So just allowing that to fully go. So it's allowing you to set yourself free from the past. Yeah, from the past. So you might be feeling a bit rocky at the moment. Allowing those emotions to come up. Don't allow them get caught in the throat. Because that's where I feel, and the Parrot is coming in to help you. You have Archangel Michael standing beside you, helping you to have the courage and the truth, and allowing you and the strength to let it go. So there you go. Have an amazing day, guys. And of course, if you want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, DM me. And I have only one place left for the retreat. So if anybody's interested, please DM me, because I have a feeling it's going to be gone by the end of the week. Have a magical day. You are very welcome. And I will talk to you all again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.